Howdy folks, my name is Stephen and I'm from the Gold Coast Art School, and we're going to talk about maintaining and looking after little brushes. People, when they've stopped painting and they just forget about it, they drop it in a jar or in a bucket and they forget it's there. What's the problem with that? Well, it causes this, and that makes it really difficult to paint accurately. Now there is a solution. It's a cheap solution and it's a fun solution, and I'm going to show you how to make one of these things. Okay, so if you're not confident of just doing it free form, what you can do is just draw a little bit, give yourself a bit of a mark. These particular bottles are locally sourced, easily found. They have a little convenient lump on them, so I'm just going to do this.
So these are just plastic 1 litre
Yep.
bottles.
Good old milk bottles.
Yeah.
Now the fun part starts. We're going to need some hot water and one of these babies. So we've got our bottle, we've got our hot water here. Now you don't want to, this is boiled recently, but it doesn't have to be that hot. Fill this up with cold water. Yep, that was all the hot water you really needed, boiling water.
So the reason for filling this up with some hot water is so you're softening the plastic, right?
Yep.
Yep, softening the plastic.
Softens the plastic, makes it safer to cut.
How long should you leave it before cutting it?
If the water's not too hot, it's fine to cut now.
Okay.
But it does need to be hot. Now this is wet and messy, so
Yep.
it's going to spurt everywhere. Whoa!
There we go.
How exciting. All right, so that's just letting the water out. Any pressure, it should sort of find its way out there. And just gently cut. Now, you could even do this with scissors, some small sharp scissors, it's possible. I have done it that way myself. I've got a whole bunch of these because I use them, and I recommend that my students use them. Now, short, sharp strokes when you get round to the thick stuff. Don't try and force it, just let the plastic yield. Okay, so there's one aspect of it, and other one cutting down here. Do a bit of a tidy up. You can tidy that up with scissors, or you can just pare it off with the knife. Pinch that. You can do that while the
So you pinched it with...
you pinch it while it's plastic, and then just to make sure it stays ka-chonka, and then you got your little, and there you have it. This, I must admit, isn't the best I've ever done. I think I should have just done it without the drawing. Look, it's up to you. You've got options here. You can design your own. You can make it as interesting as you like. This one here, I had it down there, down the end. I kind of like that too. Put some water in there. And it gives you more options, so just rest it in like that, rest it like that, doesn't really matter. But what I do like about these is that you can carry them around fairly easily and they don't spill. I hope that's of some use to you. I've worked with these for ages, and I've introduced it to my students, and they like the idea. It doesn't work for everybody, but it does work for me. Hope it helps you out. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.